Okay, so here is a business. It's a mysterious company. Let me just say this at the outset. You know this company. You already know what this company is. It's listed on the Australian stock market. I want to show you some numbers. I've got some numbers here from 2000 and some numbers here from 2010. I'll just stand over here. Could you turn this on? Thanks, mate. Okay, so I've got the profit figure from the year 2000 for this company was $517 million, and the profit this year is forecast to be $267 million. Now let me ask you a question very quickly. If I offered you the opportunity to invest in a business that in 10 years' time was earning half of what it was earning this year, would you be interested in investing in that business? Yes or no? Hands up if you think yes. Good. Hands up if you think no. Okay. And hands up if you're not going to put your hand up no matter what I ask. Very good. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so I'm going to paint a deeper picture about this company. In 2000, if we got together and we wanted to start this business, we wanted to get it running, we put $2.8 billion of our own money into this business. So we inject $2.8 billion in and we earn $517 million. Oh, by the way, one more thing. We borrow $3 billion from the bank as well. So we've put in almost $3 billion of our own money and borrowed $3 billion from the bank. Fast forward to 2010, we're earning half as much, but we've had to tip in an additional $3 billion of our own money to keep the business going. And we've also had to borrow an additional $2.4 billion on top of the $3 billion that we borrowed 10 years ago. Now let me ask you the question, is this a good business or a bad business? A bad business. Okay. Warren Buffett has another really relevant quote here. He says this, if you're not prepared to own the whole business, don't buy a little piece of it. In other words, if you're not prepared to own the whole thing, we've already decided we wouldn't want to own that, Buffett says you shouldn't even own one share in it. And if you're not prepared to own it for 10 years, don't own it for 10 minutes. And that's investing.